So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to update your PAN registration for your LIC policies in India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, the online process is pretty simple, and especially for those who don't live in India like OCIs like me, this is very important. So how you can do, I'm going to show you. So in order to protect privacy, how I'm showing you is in the format of screenshots. I just finished this policy because I was notified by LIC that I need to update my PAN details. Maybe it's part of their KYC. So this is the login page where you're going to log in. So on the main page itself, you'll see this PAN registration. I have encircled. Click on it. It will take you to service request form. So make sure in this drop down next to service request, you have PAN registration selected. Then there's a checkbox I agree. Check on that, and then there will be a next button enabled. Click on that. Next is gonna link your policies, okay, and checkboxes. So whichever policy they have asked, click on that and then check all of checkboxes, and then you will get the next option. So next option will show you your existing PAN card detail that you can just take off and enter your new PAN and click on submit. Okay, and then once you submit it, you will come to this screen. The below portion I have taken off for privacy, but yeah, it's going to show you your name and then policy details that you have done it for, and then they will do like verification. And you can also download your request by clicking on this download request form, which will give you a PDF form with your policy details and the service request number. And you can also track this under track status option. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.